The single greatest financial opportunity that has ever happened in history is happening right now to me, to you.
Easy millionaire secret.
When you're giving, you will receive.
Hi, my name's Preston Brown. I have 12 small businesses here in El Paso, Texas.
Consider you guys all family. You have to know which mark you're aiming for.
Everything you do in life, you're going to give energy.
Need to be stressed about money. Hopefully, some of the things I'm saying are challenging you. That's the good side of stress, and you can go out and maximize your money, have a better life. All right, now I want to go through 7 business documents. Okay, we're going to go through all of these, which have been developed at different points in my business and my life, and they're 100% designed to make you a millionaire, or a decamillionaire, or a centimillionaire. I want you wildly financially successful. So, what I'm going to give you here is at no cost. You don't have to pay me a nickel. This is free, and it's absolutely true. There's no complexity. It's really simple, and we're going to use it to make you rich. So, every business in every industry on earth follows this formula. This is a formula. So right here, we can see this formula has 3 goals. There's 4 things you measure, and there's 6 things you can change. Guys, this should be really exciting because this is every business everywhere on earth. 4 goals, or 3 goals, 4 things you measure, 6 things you can change. So if there's only 6 things you can change, and we all know that, for us men, most of our wives have probably anywhere between 20 and 150 different dials that they can change, that they can adjust in their makeup drawer. My wife can be a different woman on Friday night than she is on Sunday morning. Let me tell you what, Friday night woman's a lot more fun, but I love them both. So, knowing this, I'm gonna get excited. Why? Because everybody repeat this. Even though I may not be able to hear you because I know it's recorded, repeat this. Business is easy. Getting rich is easy. Business is easy. You repeat that enough, you're gonna start to believe it. This formula is so simple. It's also a filter. You know what we do with this filter? We take a problem, we put it into the top of the filter. It's gonna be like, okay, is this an alignment problem, a simplicity problem, or a foresight problem? It flows through, okay, well, we know where it is. It's alignment. Okay, well, it comes down to this one. Is it culture, clarity, capacity, cash? Guess what? It flows through to the filter, and then, okay, well, what do we do about it? Hey, well, let's add a new process. Let's turn around and, train our people, or let's add another person. So 3 goals, 4 measurements, 6 things you can change. Let's talk about what they are. Alignment and simplicity are by far the most important. We talked about being exceptional. Most people become entrepreneurs because they're exceptional at something. Alignment and simplicity are what I call the twin sisters of optimization. The single largest mistake that business owners make in today's society is they try to stay exceptional. You cannot stay exceptional. If you're going to build a machine, you cannot have exceptions happening all times in the machine. So you want to build optimization, okay? Everybody gets into business because they have foresight. Oh, I want freedom. I want to do this. I want to solve this problem. Every business gets paid for solving problems, right? All businesses on earth solve problems for somebody. The people that have the problem solved pay the person that solved the problem. That's how you get into business. So some exceptional person solved a problem. They had the foresight to know they could. They got excited. They started solving problems. And then all of a sudden there's an operation. There's something going on. There's an organization. There's a firm. There's a group of people. Only guess what everybody's trying to be? They're trying to be exceptional. And then they hit this wall. They clash. They crash. It's a struggle. And that's where every new business owner I start coaching, I have to stop them, create stillness, create pause, go through the 7 things and the 7 things that we did for mindset and productivity and say, okay, well, we need to create a path of least resistance for your employees, your team, your staff, your lenders, your vendors, your customers, and everybody. We need to take a path of least resistance. I own a home building company. I want my houses to be simple to buy for the buyer, simple to build for the foreman, simple to make a loan on for the lender, simple for my office staff to underwrite the production process and measure, simple for my leadership teams to manage and measure. All of it. It needs to be simple. If there's complexity, you're causing problems. Follow me for more content like this. Have an amazing day on purpose.